Helpful air conditioning tips for preventative maintenance. Air conditioners are complicated machines, which is why most folks call an air conditioning technician for repairs. These can get expensive, especially if you are in an emergency type situation. Outside of repairing your AC unit, there are various things as a homeowner you can do for preventative upkeep to maintain your machine running in tip-top form. Here are some straightforward do-it-yourself guidelines for AC preventative upkeep. Keep your AC unit absolutely free from any vegetation that may possibly develop close to your unit and restrict airflow. Keep your outside condensing unit clear of leaves and other varieties of yard debris. Make certain to clean your air conditioner's filters a couple of times a cooling season. If you have a clogged or dirty filter, it will make the machine perform twice as hard, lose some of its energy efficiency, and may well even lead to the unit to overheat. If an air conditioner gets too hot, they will shut off. Add bleach to the intake pipe of your air conditioner each 3 months to clear away any mold that may have grown in the pipes. It is encouraged to use in between 1/3 and 1/2 cup, based on size of unit, of bleach and run the air conditioning quickly afterward. Have a HVAC technician come and tune up your air conditioner. They will typically occasions run specials for an early AC tune-up unique in the spring to leading off coolant levels, check temperature outputs, and make certain everything is operating appropriately. I know I said these are tips you can do yourself, but having a technician come each year is something you can do. Air conditioners leak fluid and will not run as efficient if coolant levels are not topped off. A spring air conditioning tune-up will run you about $100 but will make your machine run cooler, long, and much more efficient. Make sure to examine the evaporator coil and clean it if necessary with a wire brush. While the machine is running, monitor the fan to make sure the belts are tight and motion is not restricted in any way. You have spent a good amount of money on your AC unit, and the last thing you want is to have to devote additional dollars on pricey air conditioning repair. Adhere to these simple do-it-yourself recommendations to assure your air conditioner continues to cool your house appropriately. For more helpful tips like these, check out the HVAC blog, http://hvac.blogrog.com. If you need your AC unit serviced, don't hesitate to contact Tucson Air Conditioning Repair, http://www.airconditioningarizona.org ac/tucson.html, for a quick affordable repair. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/John_Stackson/676527